Maths Part 1st, Standard 10th, Unit number 2, Quadratic Equation, Completing Square Method, Part 3. Completing Square Method. Hi friends, watch this video till the end, see and solve the example for more practice given below the end of video. Hi friends, today we are going to learn about completing square method. X square plus 10x plus 2 is equal to 0. This type of quadratic equation cannot be solved by the method of factorization because we cannot find 2 factor of 2 whose sum is 10. In such a case, completing square method is used for solving quadratic equation. For solving quadratic equation by this method, proceed as follows. Comparing the first two term of left hand side, comparing left hand side first two term x square plus 10x with x square plus 2xy. Compare this term 10x plus 2xy. Therefore 2xy is equal to 10x. Therefore y is equal to 10x upon 2x. Therefore y is equal to 5 and y square is equal to 25. Therefore write down x square plus 10x plus 25 is a perfect square, square polynomial. Perfect square polynomials. Therefore x square plus 10x plus 2 is equal to 0. Add 25 and subtract 25. 10x 25 minus 25 plus 2 is equal to 0. First three term square, first three terms and last two terms write in square. First term square root x, sign of middle term plus, and third term square root 5 square minus 25 plus 2 23. Therefore x plus 5 square minus root 23 square is equal to 0. This is the first term square minus second term square using the expansion formula. A square minus b square is equal to, in first bracket the sum of two number and second bracket is the subtraction of two number. Therefore write down this form: x plus 5 plus root 23 and x plus 5 minus root 23 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 5 plus root 23 is equal to 0, or x plus 5 minus 23 is equal to 0. Solve the linear equation. Find the value of x. X is equal to 5 goes to minus 23, or x is equal to 5 plus, here goes to minus 23 root plus root 23. Therefore minus 5 minus 23 and minus 5 plus root 23 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Solve the following quadratic equation by completing square method. Example: x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. How to solve this equation? See on the below. Write down the quadratic equation in standard form. X square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Comparing first two term of left side, x square plus x, with x square plus 2xy. X compare with 2xy, therefore 2xy is equal to x, therefore y is equal to x upon 2x. Y is equal to x cancelling, y is equal to 1/2, and y square is equal to 1 upon 4. Therefore x square plus x plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0 is the perfect square, trinomial. Therefore x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Add 1 upon 4 and subtract 1 upon 4 in this equation. X square plus x plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 minus 20 is equal to 0. First three term write down in square. First three term write down in square. Square root of first term x, sine of middle term, and square root of third side 1 upon 2 square, minus 1 upon 4 plus 20 is equal to 0. Solve the bracket addition of two number. Therefore x plus 1/2 square minus 1 plus 420 80 upon 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 1 upon 2x square minus 81 upon 4 is equal to 0. Write down second bracket in square form. X plus 1 upon x square minus 9 upon 2 square. Use the expansion formula of a square minus b square is equal to sum of two number in one bracket and subtract two number in second bracket. Write down x plus 1 half plus 9 upon 2 and second bracket x plus 1 half minus 9 upon 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 10 upon 2 x plus minus 8 upon 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 2 5 are 10, x minus 2 4 is 8 minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to plus 4. Therefore 5 minus 5 4 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Given quadratic equation. Next example, 2y square plus 9y plus 10 is equal to 0. Write down this equation in the standard form of quadratic equation. 2y square plus 9y plus 10 is equal to 0. The coefficient of y square is equal to 2. It is convenient to make coefficient of y square as 1 and then convert the equation as the difference of 2 square. So dividing the equation by 2, divide equation by 2, 2y square upon 2 plus 9 upon 2y plus 10 upon 2 is equal to 0. Therefore 2 cancelling, y square plus 9 upon 2 y plus 2 5 are 10 is equal to 0. Comparing two term of left side, comparing two side of left, two term of left hand side, comparing two term y square plus 9 upon 2y with y square plus 2yz. Comparing 9 upon 2y to 2yz, therefore 2yz is equal to 9 upon 2y, z is equal to 9 upon 2y, 2y goes to multiplication, means multiplication 1 upon 2y, y cancelling, z is equal to 9 upon 4 and therefore z square is equal to square of 9 81 and square of 4 is equal to 16. Therefore y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 81 upon 60 is perfect square is equal to 0 is perfect square trinomial. Therefore y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Add and subtract the 81 upon 16. Therefore y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 81 upon 16 minus 81 upon 16 plus 5 is equal to 0. First 3 terms write down in the square form and second 2 term write down in the square form. Therefore square root of first term sign gives to middle term and square root of third term 9 upon 4 square minus 81 upon 16 minus 5 is equal to 0. Solve the second bracket. Y plus 9 upon 4 square minus 16 5 is 80, 81 minus 81 upon 16 is equal to 0. 1 plus 9 upon 4 square minus this bracket write down in the square form. Square root of 1 is equal to 1 and square root of 16 is equal to 4 bracket square. This two bracket is the difference of two squares using the expansion formula. A square minus b square is the first bracket, the addition of two number and subtraction of two. Therefore write down this expansion form, two bracket. Therefore y plus 9 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4, next bracket y plus 9 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. Therefore y plus 9 plus 1 10 upon 4 and y plus 9 minus 1 8 minus 8 plus 8 upon 4 is equal to 0. Therefore y plus 2 5 is 10, 2 2 is 4 into y plus 4 2 is 8 is equal to 0. Therefore y plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 0 or y plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore y is equal to minus 5 upon 2 or y is equal to minus 2. Therefore minus 5 upon 2 and minus 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Given quadratic equation. Hello friends, below are example for more practice. Solve the following quadratic equation by completing square method. Solve it and send it to my WhatsApp number 9850169389. Thanks.